Ever been out, craving a delicious meal or a much-needed coffee break, only to realize you're short on cash? Or maybe you're just tired of fumbling for your wallet. Well, you're not alone. Thankfully, mobile payments are revolutionizing how we spend, and Fave Pay is leading the charge. But hold on, you might be wondering. What vendors actually accept Fave Pay? That's exactly what we're diving into today. Imagine a world where paying for your favorite treats is as easy as a tap on your phone. That world is closer than you think, thanks to Fave Pay. This innovative payment platform is rapidly gaining traction, and for good reason. It offers a seamless and secure way to pay at a growing number of merchants, making your everyday transactions smoother than ever before. So, who exactly is jumping on the Fave Pay bandwagon? Let's break it down. Restaurants, from casual diners to upscale eateries, many restaurants are embracing Fave Pay. This is a major win for foodies, allowing for quick and convenient payments, often with exclusive discounts and rewards. Cafes and coffee shops, your daily caffeine fix just got easier. Countless cafes and coffee shops are now accepting Fave Pay, making those morning commutes a little less stressful. Retail stores, whether you're shopping for clothes, electronics, or everyday essentials, you'll find Fave Pay accepted at a variety of retail stores. This eliminates the need to carry cash or worry about card declines. Salons and spas, treat yourself to a relaxing spa day or a fresh new look without the hassle of cash transactions. Many salons and spas are now Fave Pay friendly. Supermarkets and convenience stores, need to grab groceries on the go? Fave Pay is making those quick trips even quicker. But it's not just about convenience. Fave Pay offers a host of benefits for users. Exclusive deals and rewards, unlock special discounts, cashback offers, and exclusive promotions at participating merchants. Seamless and secure transactions, enjoy fast and secure payments with just a few taps on your phone. Contactless payments, minimize physical contact and enhance hygiene with contactless payment options. Easy tracking, keep track of all your transactions in one place, making budgeting and expense management a breeze. Ready to experience the Fave Pay revolution? Download the Fave app today and start enjoying the benefits. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.